Today, I'm going to talk to you about my Realtor Bag and what's in my Realtor Bag and why it's so important. I'm going to take it inside and I'll show you everything that's in the bag. My Realtor Go Bag. I'm calling it a Realtor Go Bag because these are all of the really important things that I need to have with me, minimally in my car, if not on my person, when I'm out with clients. Let's talk about the basics. Obviously, water. Sometimes it's a long day. I need water. My clients need water. So I often bring water with me. Masks. This became a prerequisite during COVID. I still carry them because often people want them. Shoe covers. Shoe covers are important when you go into a house and someone might have a sign up that says, please remove your shoes, and your customer doesn't want to remove their shoes. You have the shoe covers ready. Also for yourself, sometimes you walk in, it's just easier to throw the shoe covers on. And by the way, if you have something else in your Realtor Bag, let me know. I'd like to add to mine, or maybe you'll add one of these to yours.